We're building a new project in Coder Labs and we're excited to share it with you. It's called Blink, and Blink is a framework you can use to build custom AI agents that users can chat with in Slack via a self-hosted or hosted web UI or any other conceivable access point. Under the hood, a Blink agent is just a node HTTP server written in TypeScript, so it feels like normal code. It's not another drag and drop workflow builder. Out of the box, you can start building from scratch or use a Blink coding agent SDK with extensive GitHub tooling. It can write and execute code and even spawn its own ephemeral sandboxes for short-lived work. From there, you just shape it to your own use case. After you install the Blink CLI, you'll find it has two main operating modes, run and edit. Run is straightforward. You're just chatting with the agent as it exists in its current form. As the agent developer, it's the best way for you to experience your agent as others would. Edit's where things get interesting. Edit mode is basically an agent that knows Blink inside and out, how the CLI and SDKs work, what they can do, and how to help you actually build or tweak your own agent. Edit can see the full picture of what's happening across both sides of the conversation, while Run just focuses on its own chats. That makes Edit kind of like your coding buddy, the one that can add new tools, refine prompts, or help you debug your agent. And honestly, you don't have to write much code, if any. The Edit agent does the heavy lifting. Once your agent's ready, you can share it by deploying to Blink Cloud, which is free during early access, or even to your own self-hosted Blink instance. You get built-in observability, chat management, and team permissions, so you have what you need to start using the agent in production. That also means other people can chat with your agent through the web UI or any other access point you build for. Blink also includes a first-class user experience for creating Slack applications, which is usually a pretty frustrating process even if you've done it before. We abstract away all the annoying bits so you can focus on building the agent itself, not wrestling with Slack just to get it to respond. You can build agents for just about anything: marketing, sales, software development, or internal tooling. You can plug into existing MCP if you already have one, or just keep everything fully internal if that's your preference. And for more security-conscious teams, Blink lets you give agents direct API access to your own systems without relying on a third-party MCP server that you may not maintain or fully control. So that's it. Think of Blink as your local lab for building agents. It's open source, flexible, and actually fun to experiment with. And we're excited to see what you've built, especially the things we haven't even thought of yet. So head over to Blink Docs to get started. Link in the description.